Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Kind of a common thing on these Volvos and these XC90s is these headlight washer covers pop off, disappear, whatever. We just ordered this one from Amazon. It came in a pair of two for like $10 or something. And they just clip on. Very easy to attach as long as the bracket on the front of the sprayer is not broken. So what you do is you reach inside that hole and you pull out the washer assembly and just clip it on. Pretty easy to clip on. You massage it on, it clips in, and then you let that thing back in and you're good to go. Easy peasy, takes 2 minutes. This is one of the covers for the other side. We don't need it right now, but we'll keep it. And you see it has holes in it, and you pull out that washer assembly and it has a T in it, and the T has those tabs that fit through those holes, and this centerpiece fits under there. So it's pretty easy to install. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.